Pagbalang araw po sa ating lahat. Ako nga po pala si Angela Jen Agner at welcome po sa aking 365 Daily Devotion ni Pastor Russell Campos Seminary Edition. At ngayong araw po ay November 15, 2025 at ang topic po natin ngayong araw ay Name of God Series, Yahweh Nissi. And yung sabi po dito sa ating concept na Yahweh Nissi, ano ang kahulugan ng Yahweh Nissi is Yahweh Nissi means the Lord is my banner. In Exodus chapter 17 verse 15, Moses proclaimed that after Israel's victory over the Amalekites when God gave triumph as Moses raised his hand in battle, a banner signified protection, presence, and victory. Yahweh himself is the banner of his people, the point to Christ, the true banner lit up on the cross. In John chapter 12 verse 32, securing victory over sin, death, and Satan, we fight not for victory but from Christ's ultimate victory. And sabi po dito sa ating scripture na Exodus chapter 17 verse 15, Moses built an altar and called it the Lord is my banner. Nagtayo si Moses ng isang dambana at pinangalan ito ng ang Panginoon ay aking watawat. And yung sabi po dito sa ating teaching number 1, we fight from victory, not for victory. Sabi po dito na yung ating Panginoong Diyos daw po or tayo na mga nagsasakupan ng ating Panginoong Diyos ay hindi po tayo lumalaban from victory. But sabi po nga dito na yung Nissi means the Lord is my banner. So, winawagayaway natin yung banda na ginawa ni Moises na kung saan dun tayo masasabing nagwagi tayo or victory na victory over the Amalekites when God gave triumph as Moses raised his hand in battle. Banner signifies protection, presence, and victory. Na Yahweh himself is the banner of his people. Na yung ating banner talaga is yung ating Panginoong Diyos, which is Yahweh. And teaching number 2, our battle cry is Soli Deo Gloria. Sabi po dito na yung battle na nagkaroon is yung Soli Deo Gloria, na kung saan ang banner talaga natin or tagapagligtas talaga natin is ang ating Panginoong Diyos, which is Yahweh, na yung battle na nagsisignifies ito ng protection, presence, and victory. Na kapag nilift up natin yung banner na yon on the cross is nagsisecuring to na tayo ay victory over sin, death, and Satan. Now we fight not for victory but for Christ's ultimate victory. And yung sabi po dito sa Nissi point of the cross of the Christ, sabi po dito na yung points to the Christ is ito daw po talaga yung true banner na dapat na i-lift up natin sa cross. And application number 1, fight under the banner of Christ. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin or sa life natin na dapat tayo ay lumaban under doon sa banner ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo, which is Yahweh. And application number 2, face your Amalekites with courage. Sabi po dito na i-face natin yung mga kalaban natin, which is the Amalekites with courage, na tayo ay meron talagang confidence na nasa atin si Yahweh, and ito ay talagang nagsisignifies ng protection, peace, at ng victory sa lahat ng sin, death, and Satan. And application number 3, focus on the Lord our Yahweh Nissi. Sabi po dito na apply po natin sa sarili natin or sa life natin na dapat nagpo-focus tayo on the Lord na makamit yung victory natin. Like Yahweh Nissi, talagang kinuha nila yung Christ ultimate victory kahit kanino mang kalaban. Lang po ngayong araw. Maraming salamat. God bless.